So this is the program to add n 1 byte numbers. So the first two lines are the two header files which we'll be using for all the programs, and void main, as I told you, all the videos is the necessary part of a program. And here I've declared data type as char, and the variables n, sum, x, a of 20, that is array of 20, and y. So let's get into the main part of the program. And here I have declared the sum is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. That is, the sum and carry will be 0 in the beginning. And then printf, enter the value of n. And I'll be asking the user to enter the value of n, and that n value gets stored here. That is, n is equals to read by PC, here it gets stored. And then a for loop to take the values for each term. If my n value is 4, I'll be taking 4 inputs from the user. So for that, I'll be using the array and a for loop. So that is printf enter a byte, and let's enter a byte, and that byte value gets stored here, that is a of x. I'll be taking numbers one by one using array, and if there is any carry, that carry will be added. And first of all, here my carry is 0. In case if there is a carry byte, then it becomes y is equals to y plus 1. Then printf sum is. And here it's get added up and it will be displaying in the screen. So for that, I'll be using byte to PC of y and sum. Y is nothing but it's the carry, and sum, it sums all the numbers. So let's get into the Proteus page. So here I have designed using microprocessor and virtual terminal. Let's debug the program. It is asking for enter the value of n. We'll give it as 4. Enter a byte. Give it as 2. 2. Again 2. Then 2. And you can see the sum as 8. So thank you.